Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I think I may have a Stila dupe here for you. I have been buying non-stop liquid eyeshadows from Aliexpress because I want to find the best kind of Stila dupe. I know I did find the yellow gold one. I can't remember what the brand was called, but the yellow gold one that I absolutely loved and raved about. I absolutely loved that. But that was more of a liquid eyeshadow with glitter in it, if that makes sense, even though it had so much reflectiveness and shine. This one that I have here today seems to just be glitter, but very, very tightly packed, just like the Stila one. So I did pick up another one from AliExpress and it recently got delivered, so I thought I'd come on here and share it with you guys. We're going to be applying it to the eyes and I'm going to show you a swatch of it compared to a swatch of Stila, and you can see just how similarly they apply. So this is the packaging it comes in. It does come with this little thing where you like break it open and it rips open, and then once you take it out, this is what it looks like on the inside. Now tell me that doesn't look exactly like Stila. However, it is called Heng Fang, so it's by the brand Heng Fang, and it is shade number 3. So I got like a brownish gold color and I feel like it will go perfect with this eye look, which is why I'm filming it today. So this retails for £1.60, I believe. It's a little bit more expensive than the £1 yellow gold one that I recently reviewed. However, this one seems to be like really glittery compared to the other one. So it is a flat double-sided doe foot applicator, just like the Stila one. Let me show you side by side. So this is my Stila one. It is the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow in the shade Diamond Dust. It is real. Of course, this is rose gold and this is gold. It is slightly smaller, as you can see, but the overall feel of the bottle is the same. So this one from AliExpress has a flat, like it's flat on both sides, and it is a double-sided doe foot applicator, just like the Stila one. The Stila one is flat on both sides and it is double-sided. I'm going to swatch the Stila one right here for you so you can see there's so much glitter packed in just one swatch. It is absolutely stunning, but it is also £23. So let me give you a swatch of the Heng Fang one. Heng Fang, I think that's how you say it. I wish they called it something else. So I'm going to swatch that here, and as you can see, it literally has the same amount of packed in glitter. It looks just as reflective and just as beautiful. Of course, the only difference is the color. So let's just go ahead and apply this to the eyes, because based on swatches, I am very excited. So I'm just going to take the applicator and go straight onto the center of my lid. Wow. So very pigmented, you literally don't need much. I'm going to try and pull down my lash extensions. This is still one dip in and it's done the whole eyelid. I'm just going to tap over the edges so it blends a little bit. I think I'm going to use a brush actually, because it's a little bit hard to blend with your fingers. It kind of goes everywhere. So there we have it applied. It is very glittery and it looks absolutely stunning on my eye. I'm just doing another layer to see if we can intensify it even more, which we can. I mean, it looks super reflective. I'm just going to blend the edges once again. These are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. This is definitely like the closest dupe I've ever found to the Stila thing. Okay guys, so it is more or less dry and I am absolutely obsessed with this. It is so glittery and reflective and very out there. I did, however, look up while it was still drying, and as you can see, it did transfer into my crease. So if you do have hooded eyes, you might want to just keep your eyes closed until it is fully 100% dry. Okay, so here we are close up and this is what it is looking like. It looks absolutely beautiful. Let me step out of focus so you guys can see that shimmer and shine. I mean guys, for the price, this is definitely a dupe for Stila and it looks absolutely stunning. I'm definitely gonna go purchase more colors. I only purchased one because I wasn't sure how it was gonna come out, if it was gonna be pigmented or not, but now that I've actually tried this, I'm definitely going back to get more colors. For £1.60, this is gorgeous. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I will leave all links down in the description box as usual. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.